Today is a very special day. My mom and our good family friend, Ashley, are coming over to celebrate Ashley's birthday. I remember when my mom started working with Ashley at the financial firm. She would always say, I have this daughter at work. And I'm like, daughter? She's like, well, Ashley's my work daughter. And she's also kind of like a health nut, but she likes food. So she's like a fit foodie. And Ashley became my personal trainer. Needless to say, I did not finish that personal training, but we are still very close. So Ashley's favorite thing to eat is crab cake. So I'm making her a cross between a low country style crab cake and a Maryland style crab cake. So I have some jumbo lump crab here. This is so sweet and velvety and buttery. I love jumbo lump. To this bowl, I'm gonna add some mayo, about a half a cup, a little Dijon mustard. A Maryland style crab cake always has some type of mustard. A little Worcestershire to add a little smokiness. And 2 teaspoons of seafood seasoning. A little bit before I was born, my mom lived in Maryland for a while, and she fell in love with lump crab cakes there. So when I was growing up, she would always make a Maryland style. But here in Charleston, we also make something called devil crabs. So my jumbo lump crab is like a combination of Charleston style devil crabs and Maryland style jumbo lump crab cakes. I'm using about 20 butter crackers, and it's gonna act as the glue to the crab cake. Seal it up, crush them. Add that directly to my bowl here. Now this beautiful lump crab. I don't want to break up the crab, so gently fold the crab. One more thing, forgot my egg. And if you don't have the binder like the crackers or the egg, the crab cake will fall apart. So I like to chill these before I put it directly in a hot pan because I want them to be nice, firm, and sturdy. The thing about this recipe is, forget about all those fillers and go heavy on the crab. So after these set up in the fridge for about an hour, I'm gonna get my skillet nice and hot, add some oil, and fry these on both sides. They're gonna be pretty and nice and golden. So the crab cakes are nice and firm. They set up nicely in the refrigerator. Gotta get my cast iron skillet nice and hot. To the skillet, I'm gonna add some vegetable oil. Crab cakes don't take long at all to cook, about 3 to 4 minutes per side till they get nice and golden. Got that sizzle. I mean, as soon as it touched that skillet, I could smell it.
Oh, hey, that.
Follow the smell. Follow the smell.
Woo. Hey, how are you?
Oh, you came cute.
Thank you.
You are too phony.
Oh, it smells so good in here. What are you cooking?
You got those crab cakes going.
Oh.
You smell it?
Yes.
You think Ashley's gonna love it?
Oh, she's gonna love that. She likes crab.
All right, so she should be here anytime soon. Can you make the sauce for the crab cake? So it's mayo, some ketchup, some mustard. Got some horseradish in there, a little spiciness.
Okay.
And we're gonna cut up some chives too.
All right, let me wash my hand real quick.
That would be great. Look at you. I knew you was gonna come in here clean this up. Checking on my crab cakes here. They're nice and golden brown. Just giving them a flip. I trust you with that.
Oh, sure.
Beautiful. Mom.
Yes.
When you met Ashley, how did you know that me and her were going to get along?
I don't know. She reminds me of you because you're a little older than she is. And just our conversation.
She likes food.
Oh, Ashley loves food. But Ashley exercises a lot.
And I have not mastered that yet.
No, you've worked with her. You worked with her before and stuff, you know.
She had me on that treadmill. I was like, Ashley, Lord, have mercy. Can I try it?
Sure.
I trust your judgment, but let me still take a look. Ashley.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, I'm good to go. All right, okay.
Ma, look at this.
Oh, those are pretty.
Look at that.
Yes.
You see the big lumps of crab in there?
Yeah, it doesn't take long to cook at all.
At all.
Yes.
Remember you would tell me stories about before I was born when you lived in Baltimore?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
And the Maryland style crab cakes.
Mm-hmm.
Not a whole bunch of foo-foo in it.
A bunch of what?
Foo-foo. Just basically just really crab meat.
Uh-huh.
That's your best crab cakes. In restaurants they call them lump crab cakes, right?
Yeah. Lump crab cake and not all that filler.
No, you don't need that.
Not the
no.
foo-foo.
Not the foo-foo.